Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and send money globally with Revolut? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Revolut application and log in into your account. Once you've done that, go to the transfer section and tap to start a new one. Choose destination, country, and currency, enter the amount, and then find your Revolut user or recipient via contacts, phone, mail, or rev tag, and then enter their full name, bank name, IBAN or account number, and SWIFT or BIC code. Then create a link to share via phone or email, and then check exchange rates, fees, and estimated delivery times in the app, then confirm. So that is about it. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.